Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are eating my favorite. This is a barbecue chicken pizza and I made it at home and it's hot. So I just wanted to say before we get into the video that I am a little sick. I have like a cough, really bad cough, and I've been like really fatigued. So if I do edit stuff out, it's because I'm coughing to death. So let's get into this. I am starving. Please don't fall. I made it extra crispy and I do have ranch, so I'm just gonna pour it on here like as I go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. So freaking good. Mmm. Oh, I'm legit sweating right now. I'm gonna have some water. This pizza is so easy to make and it's so like cost effective. The dough, like everything is from Trader Joe's. So I believe the dough is like $1.99, and then you get barbecue sauce, and that's probably like $3-4, and then a red onion, which you really only use like a quarter of it, and then the chicken they have there, and I think that's like $3 or $4. Obviously, you can still use more barbecue sauce. You don't use the whole thing. And the chicken packet comes with like 2 servings worth, so it's pretty good. Mm. 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 So yeah, so I've been sick. I've been like coughing up like crazy. I don't know if anyone else has been feeling like that, but I was like, I didn't really eat today because I'm just have no appetite. And then I was like, you know what? I told everyone that I'm gonna try to stay consistent, which that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I was like, I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna film this. And I already, this cough and sickness is not gonna stop me because I've already had plans for Friday. There's this event called First Friday Night in San Diego, and it's like all these vegan vendors. So I already have plans to go there and take you guys with me because there's a specific vendor that I hope, they said they were doing it, so I messaged them right now. I haven't heard back from them, but I hope they're still doing what they said they're doing because it is something I want to try, and I don't want to say it until I know for sure. And then earlier today, there's this burger company called Veg and Out, and they posted their burger of the week, and it looks so good. So they are at a farmer's market on Thursday night, so I'm gonna go there on Thursday, and then Friday. So I have plans to eat. But if you guys ever need a, I think my light is too bright. There you go. If you guys ever need a dairy-free option for ranch, follow your heart. And if you want like a thicker consistency, like original ranch, real ranch, or whatever you say, get the high omega one, because there's also like a low calorie one, and that one is super liquidy. So I don't know how low calorie ranch looks. It might be like soup, like liquidy like that, but I like the high omega one. It's thick and creamy. I love the crunch. It's so good. Let's get this piece right here. Yes, girl. Give me that crunchy crunch. This thing's probably still hot. So Easter is this Sunday. And I got, well, my mom and I got my nephew a few things. They, obviously you guys know babies grow at a rapid pace. So they grow out of everything they have. He's kind of in that stage right now. I think he's like, he's 4 months, he just turned 4 months. So he's kind of transitioning to the next size. So she wanted to get him a bunch of clothes and stuff like that. And she went to Marshall's. And I was like, yo, Amazon has some bomb prices too. Like, don't forget about Amazon. So I'm not going to show you like everything I picked out, because I'm sure you guys really don't care. But I want to show you guys this. Obviously it's still in the packaging, but look. If you guys can tell, yeah, it says Marvel. It's a little Spider-Man. There's a Spider-Man. Okay, I'll just open it. No, I shouldn't open it. I guess it's a gift. There's a Spider-Man. There's like a Spider-Man Hulk. Oh, that's the Avengers. There's an Avengers. There's a Hulk by himself. What are they doing? There's a whole bunch of Marvel stuff in here. It is so freaking cute. Oh yeah, Captain America. What is the red and yellow? I'm opening this. Oh, it's like not even really shut. This looks so small. I hope it fits. Yeah, it's the 3 to 6. I mean, he's a little tiny baby, so. But isn't that so cute? And then I got him like a bunch of hats and socks. I also read that it's so amazing that we have all these options for vegan food. Like back in the day, people did not get to enjoy this stuff. Like this is all vegan. That's so crazy. I am so blessed. But one thing I did want to show you is I did get him these, sorry the light, these books. They're like alphabet books and like pictures and letters and, you know, fruits and bikes and shapes. So he's only 4 months, I know, but I'm pretty sure you should start reading and all that to your kids. I don't know, but I'm going to do that for him. I love pizza. So, with that being said, Easter is this Sunday. So I am going to my mom's house. It's been a very long time since I've gone to my parents' house for the holiday. I don't know if you guys know this or not. I've talked about it before. I don't have the best relationship with my family. I mean, it all kind of happened when Eric and I were getting married. Like right before we got married, my brother kind of had this episode, and my parents live in Los Angeles. They live 3 hours away from me. Both my mom and my dad, they're divorced. So I have my mom and my stepdad, and then my dad. None of them came to my wedding. So it was really like hard for me because I don't understand that. I would never, ever, ever miss my only daughter's, on my mom's side, my only daughter's wedding. But that's just what happened. And ever since my brother's son, Jaden, came along, I've kind of just put that in the past. It was a little burp, excuse me. So ever since that, I've been going out there and seeing them and hanging out with them. And it is nice to just push past the bullshit. Like, just, you know, family is family. You're not going to have a second chance at time. I've lost a lot of time. We kind of lost, we still like communicated a little bit, but not really like seeing each other. It was probably about, yeah, we're going on our 4-year wedding anniversary in June. So almost 4 years. And that's just like a lot of time wasted. Like, you don't need to waste that much time. I get it. My feelings were hurt, but it's just kind of time to move on. So I'm going to Easter out there, which is crazy. I haven't gone to a holiday in so long. But it was so sweet because Eric and I are vegan, and my mom is totally making the effort. She's totally making us like an appetizer, a meal, and dessert. So for her to even offer that and try to make vegan stuff is so sweet to me. I appreciate it so much. It really means a lot to me. It really does, and it really shows me that she gives a shit about what I care about. It's a really nice feeling. Because it's hard. When you fight with your family, it is so hard. And I think I took it even more personally because it was like my wedding day and the issue was with my brother. So it kind of felt like, you know, they chose him over me when it was a situation. It was just a really bad situation. It just sucks. But the past is behind us now. And I would say if any of you guys have any problem with your family, to really think about it. Unless they, you know, really done something to make you upset. Is it worth losing all of that time? Because I did lose a lot of time with them and a lot of memories. And it's something you can't get back. So it's kind of worth it to just get over it. They're all up over here and down over there. Also, I'm in San Diego, and it has been hot lately, and then all of a sudden today, it was all cloudy, and then it was raining earlier. It was so nice. I was like, ooh, I should record outside like while it's raining, but it's not raining anymore, but it's still nice and cool, so I'm like really enjoying it because I feel like we're gonna have a hot summer. A hot summer. If you make pizza at home, this is the best secret tool. Get a stone pizza board. I guess that's how you call it. I don't know how, like the specific term for a pizza. It's not really a pan. I would say a board. But it's stone. And it gets it so crispy. That's how mine is so crispy. It gets it so crispy. It's so bomb. This is my secret tool. Get yourself one. It is worth it. So yeah, so I'm super excited to see Jaden in that Marvel outfit. It's so cute. I've been doing that with my hands a lot in this video. I just wanted to also say I apologize for my appearance. I know my hair is crazy, my face is blah, but like I said, I've been sick and I actually haven't even been coughing right now, so this is like really nice. I feel like maybe it's because I'm eating, I don't know, but it's really nice. I'm also I don't know if everyone knows this, but I'm a photographer, but I am going to do a practice run video with one of my clients. So I'm really excited for that. I'm kind of nervous because video is very hard. I've done video before, I do video here, but this is like not really video. I've done video for other clients and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to take my skills and like apply myself and come out with a bomb ass video. So hopefully that works. Send me your good vibes, people. I need it. I need to make a good video. Mm-hmm. I love this ranch. I love ranch. Alright guys, so I'm not like too full, but I'm actually getting pretty tired again. I want to go lay down. So thank you so much for being here. I'll leave this for Eric. I'm not even like full, but I'm just tired. It's like coughing all day just takes it out of me. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks for all your comments, your likes. Thanks to everyone who subscribes. I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to request something for me to eat, I don't know, I know it gets kind of hard, or like if you want to see me veganize something, leave a comment down below. I am gonna try to do this thing where once a week my video will be showcasing like a smaller company or brand that makes unique food. So this week will be that Veg Out I just told you about. I've done them before, but I want to show you a little bit more about them. So yeah, if you have any ideas, leave a comment down below. Alright guys, thanks so much for being here, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye!